Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Sophia, and today I'm excited to tell you about something really cool: green technologies innovations. These are new ideas, innovations that help protect our planet. You've probably heard about how important it is to take care of the earth. We all know things like recycling, saving water, and turning off lights when we don't need them. But did you know that the people around the world are creating the technologies to help save the planet even more? These innovations are called green technologies, and they help reduce pollution, save energy, and keep nature healthy. One example of green technology is solar panels. Solar panels use the sun's energy to create electricity. The sun is always there, and it doesn't run out like other energy sources. Using solar power means we don't need to burn as much coal or oil, which makes the air cleaner. Another amazing innovation is electric cars. Instead of using gasoline and create harmful gases, electric cars use batteries. The batteries can be charged and the cars don't pollute the air. Imagine driving a car that's better for the environment. Also, have you heard about wind turbines? They look big fans, but they actually use the power of the wind to make electricity. Just like solar power, wind power doesn't harm the earth, and there's always wind somewhere on the planet. Finally, there's recycling robots. These robots are designed to help sort trash and pick up things can be recycled, like plastic, paper, and glass. They make recycling faster and more efficient, which means less waste ends up in landfills, and we can use more materials. In the future, green technology innovation are going to be even more important. They help us live in a cleaner, healthier world, and who knows, maybe one of us here today will invent the next big green technology. Thank you for listening, and let's all do our part to protect the earth. Thank you.